Literature. Welcome to week 3 of semester 2. I am super excited because this week is the second week of the Enlightenment and we are covering satire. And if you remember, satire is basically that sarcasm. It is a humorous way to reflect some of the stupidities of society or political criticisms of society, and is really fun to read this with you this week. We're going to be reading A Modest Proposal by Jonathan Swift, and this is considered quite possibly the most famous satirical piece to ever be written. It was written during a time where there was a lot of poverty in Ireland, and he has an unusual proposal on how to end such a problem. And you really can hear his biting sarcasm while he's writing this. And then the next piece we're going to be reading is called The True-Born Englishman. And this author's point of view is quite interesting. Then, after we get done reviewing satire and the Enlightenment, you are going to have to create your own modest proposal. And I'm really excited about this because you're going to be able to take what we've learned about satire and you're going to be able to consider a social issue that is an issue, something that you find important, and you're going to have to create your own satirical piece on how to fix that social problem in our current society. So I'm really excited about what we're going to be doing together this week. If you have any questions at all, please do not hesitate to ask. That is why I am here. You guys are doing a really good job with last week's content. I know that reading John Locke's chapter 12 was a struggle, but I think it's going to help you build those analysis skills and those reading skills by reading something that's difficult. And we can do hard things, okay? we can read these hard pieces and analyze them, and we're going to grow as readers together, okay? Make sure you come to your Class Connect sessions, and I am really looking forward to working with you this week. Thank you so much, and have a good day. Bye.